superstar? Hey, this is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin. If you're watching this video, you are curious about how to make money online or how to use affiliate marketing to make money right now. Now, what I'm going to show you real quickly is the very simple, stupid way to make money on a computer. Now, let me give you some background about me. For 7 years, I failed online. For 7 years, it's kind of funny here. For 7 years, I made no money. And let me tell you why. And this is the mistake that I see over and over again with new beginning people. Okay, listen. When you want to start an online company, there's two things that you must understand. You have people that, listen, write this down, please. You have people that promote products, and you have people that sell products. Okay? Now, I believe the best thing for you to do right now is to promote products, because you know what? You don't want to do a lot of work, and it's a lot of work to create a product and the marketing and to send traffic to the product. What I want to show you is basically how to choose a product right now, and I'm going to give you the websites in this video. This is where I started. After 7 years and finally understand what I was doing wrong, I made $1 million in 1 month. Now that's crazy, right? But listen, I want to show you just how to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month so you can leave that dumb, stupid job, right? You can't stand it, right? Go ahead and hit the like button if you can't stand your job. So listen, this is what you do. Either go to clickbank.com. Write that down. Clickbank.com. That was the first website that I went to as a beginner after 6 years of failure. And I finally learned that this website here, which is an affiliate marketing platform, allowed me to promote products, okay? Because I didn't need a website. I didn't need anything. All I needed was an affiliate link. The second website is Digistore24. Now understand this, as a new person, you browse these websites, you find a product that's popular, okay? Find a product that's popular. Then once you find that, you take the website link, right? And you use that to promote it around the web. Facebook, you can put it on your Snapchat, Instagram. When people click it and they buy the product, you get paid. That's a simple way to do this. Now, if you want a full training on how this works, step by step, I gave you the brevity of it. In the description below, I show you step by step how I help people. This is dummy proof, by the way. I can teach a dog how to make money, right? My dog Rufus, right? Rufus, he's over there somewhere, right? He can make money by learning the steps that I'm going to give you in the description below. Even my son, my daughter can do this, which means this, you can do it too. Now listen, don't sign up for the training unless you're serious, unless you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind, and you're tired of sitting in traffic all day, every day, hating your job and hating your life. You have to be willing to work and you have to commit. But I'm going to give you the simplest, the most easiest way to do this in this training. Listen, from the training, the average person makes $500 to $1,000 a day in the first month. The people that register for the free training. Again, the people like you that register for this training, they earn between $500 to $1,000 per day. Not per month, per day. In the first 30 days, once they go through the training and they see everything that I do and that I help somebody else do that was a newbie. On the next page, in the description below, you're going to see this beautiful girl with her dog. She knew nothing about the internet. She was slow. She didn't get it, right? But now she earns $100,000 per month. Listen. The only way to do it, the only way to change your life financially is to, one, take action. Two, you have to believe that it's possible. Once you believe that it's possible, it is a very easy process to be laying in your bed with your drawers on, with your panties on, and making money while other people are grinding and working for the man. I don't want you to work for the man or the woman. So listen, in the description below, the training is free. Just go through it. I show you The lady shows you step by step. I trained her, and she's training thousands of people just like you that are beginners. It's coming from a beginner mindset to you to make money right now. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Let's go.